Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeevna and I make videos on DIYs, fashion and hairstyles. So please do subscribe to my channel if you like this content. So today I'm gonna recreate Sonam Kapoor's bun hairstyles. Whenever I type celebrity inspired hairstyles in Pinterest, I get this Sonam Kapoor's bun hairstyle, which is very easy to recreate. So I thought, why not I recreate this hairstyle and show you guys how easy it is to recreate this iconic bun hairstyle. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Firstly, I'm side parting my hair and dividing my hair into 3 parts like shown in the video. The ponytail I'm tying it with a rubber band. With the front side parted hair, I'm gonna do a Dutch braid. That is taking a left strand under the middle and then right strand under the middle. Then slowly I'm gonna add the hair from 2 sides to the braid. So we are gonna braid in the same way towards the backwards. Here I am going to remove the hair tie and continue braiding so that it will be easy for me to take the strands. On the left side of the braid, do not add total hair, just add the small strand of the hair. You will understand it clearly when you see the video properly. Here you can see how I am adding only small strand of the hair on left side. We're gonna tie our braid and continue the braiding later. So basically what I'm doing is I'm parting my hair into 3 parts, and for the middle part I'm just gonna tie my hair into a ponytail and I'm gonna braid the ponytail till the end. Sorry guys, there's a situation. While making this video, there's a power cut, so I had to change the location. To add the volume, I'm gonna take donut bun through the ponytail and pin it properly and wrap the braid on donut bun like I'm showing in the video. While wrapping the braid on donut bun, make sure to pin it properly. As we are done wrapping the braid on the donut bun, it looks like this. On the right side of my braid, I'm going to remove the hairband and continue my braid and take all the hair up in the braid, and I'm going to continue the braid until the end of it, and I'm going to wrap the braid on the bun. Do not wrap over the right braid, just take it under and pin it properly. I'm gonna safely secure the braid. We're gonna continue doing the same on the left side. So please do not forget to watch it till the end. This hairstyle is perfect if you have continuous event, that is the next day. If you have another event, then you can style this hairstyle on this day, and on the next day you're gonna get the perfect crimped hairstyle. So what I'm trying to say is you can get heatless crimped hair, and with that crimped hair you can style it in half updo and you're good to go. I would say this hairstyle is perfect for Navratri, so make sure you try this hairstyle for this Navratri. Look at this guys, this is perfect Navratri hairstyle. I'm loving it. I know it's not an exact replication of Sonam Kapoor's hairstyle. I just made a small change, that is, instead of making a French braid, I made a Dutch braid because my hair is so thin. So I had to make some change to make it look voluminous. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.